It's currently 5 a.m. and I am packing up, getting ready to head to Albany to compete in a Rubik's Cube competition. Let's go. Alright guys, so while we're in the car waiting for it to warm up, we are headed to Albany right now for a Rubik's Cube competition. I haven't competed in a Rubik's Cube competition in maybe 2 years, and I have not practiced. So originally I signed up for 5 events. I'm only going to end up doing 2 of them. Really one of them I still haven't practiced enough where I'm at the point where I would even, get a solve that counts, but I'm hopeful maybe I can do the 5x5 in less than 3 minutes, but we'll end up seeing. But it's gonna be fun. Afterwards, I'm gonna be meeting up with my friend to go skiing with him, so it's gonna be a good time all around. So let's first get there. It's about 2 hours, 45 minutes away, so let's get on the road, maybe grab something to drink at Dunkin', and then let's go to this competition and see how we do. Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so we made it to Albany a little later than I thought we would, but there was really no traffic. It's not really an excuse why I'm late, but I think the real excuse is because I really wanted to sleep a little bit more. But we made it, and we're gonna go see what we can do. Alright, I'm ready.
We could use some help with scrambling if you're available.
Alright, I'm ready.
I just have to feel anything. Not have to respond to my darkness. Did you say you needed
Scrambling.
They're happy to help. Will you show them?
Yeah.
They'll say you can jump under. Go right here.
not showing up, you can just leave it there. All right.
Alright, I'm ready.
All these are the next few rounds, the people who are in charge of running and everything need help.
Oh,
Alright, ready.
I'm gonna try.
Just show them and just watch it.
Yeah, looks like that.
Alright, I'm ready.
No, you can go. I think it's fine. It's okay.
Cool, man. Thanks. Ready.
8 seconds. I do. I'm
No,
not.
we need to rush.
Yeah, I keep telling them.
No, like, we need to make them down.
I mean, I don't know.
Fine.
Alright guys, so that wasn't too bad. I ended up getting like a 23.3 average for the regular cube, which was just as really what I wanted. I wanted at least a 25, but I did the 23. And for 5x5, I managed to solve it once, which is phenomenal given I haven't really competed in 3 years. I did alright for myself, so I got a time of 2:56. So all's well that ends well, and I had a good time. Now, off to skiing.